Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm sharing with you a little Halloween project I made. It's this really cute little folio in a box. Now I have made this design before. It comes from Rosa Kelly of Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking, and I will link the tutorial that I followed below. It's a lot of fun to make, and if you're into using paper collections from like Echo Park, which is what I used, it uses almost an entire collection. You will have some scraps left over that are perfect for card making, but it's really a great use of that kind of a paper collection. So let's get into it. So as I mentioned, this is a folio in a box. This is a match style box, which I've decorated on both the top and then all the sides, as well as the back, just with some patterned paper. Now on the cover, I did use, well actually for the entire project, the paper collection that I used is from Echo Park. It's called Happy Halloween. And while I have a lot of the stickers left over, this is all that remains of the paper collection itself. So like I said, some great scraps and cut aparts that will be useful for making cards. I used a die cut image from Martha Stewart. I purchased these on Amazon, and these are chipboard, nice and heavy duty, and this will just give you an idea of some of the other images that came in this set. Some different house versions. Thought they were really cool and fun to use. This is the one that I used on my project. Love this moon. Can't wait to use that for something. And this house is fabulous as well. This decorative piece in the background, I cut with a Anna Griffin die. Now this set is from her Crosses set, which is an unlikely pairing, but I just liked the way it looked and just thought it was a nice universal background image. And I cut that out of this specialty paper. Isn't that fun? Love this paper so much. This is from hot off the press, and I purchased it at Paper Wishes. It is a cardstock weight, and it's just flashy and fun, and I use it a lot in Halloween projects. And as you can see, when I move this around, you'll catch some of that flash. And in person, it really does look striking. Speaking of flash, of course it's me, so I had to bling it up a little bit. And in these corners, I used some bling from my stash. This comes from summerray.com, and I did purchase it from Amazon. I've had these for a while. They are a nice large size. Just kind of show you in my hand. Very sparkly. They're plastic, but they're pretty clear and have a lot of sparkle. And so whenever I need a larger scale form of bling, this is my go-to. These spiderweb die cuts, I used a die set from Diamond Press. I don't know which one it is. I forgot to pull it for this video, but it's an older Halloween set that I had in my stash. This little October 31st is a sticker from the collection. And inside of this cute little box is our folio. Now, I always try to do my folios so that they coordinate, but they're not exactly the same as the cover. Just another little fun challenge I give myself, and I thought these two went together nicely. So let's set this cover aside and check the folio out. So on the cover of my folio, I've just used some papers from the collection. This is a cut apart from the collection, backed on this beautiful specialty cardstock from hot off the press. It's the same die that I used from Diamond Press over here, only I did it in some silver glitter cardstock instead of the black. And this was also a die from that Diamond Press set, this little bat, more bling. Another die from that Diamond Press set. If I can figure out which set it was, I will put it in link it in the description box below. And this does have a hidden magnetic closure. And as we open it up, you could put a photograph right here. I mean, it is going to be, like if you put it in the center, that would be ideal because you wouldn't see it from the front when it's closed. And then this opens up like this. And this is a really simple style folio, but very functional and great to hold quite a few pictures. Now these are open so that you could slide the picture right underneath. And I've got this little pocket that I made over here. And it's just got like a little journaling card from the paper collection. Slide this over and look at this section. This is magnetized. This is another cut apart from the collection that I've just backed on some black cardstock. Now this whole folio is made from 110-pound Recollections cardstock, so no chipboard in this one. Happy Haunting, I cut that out of the paper collection, backed it on some orange glitter cardstock, and added some jewel dazzles that I buy from Paper Wishes. They are hot off the press brand. Purple, add a little flash. And then this folds down. So a lot of nice spaces for pictures. You can easily put a 4x6 picture here and 4x4s on the top and bottom, as well as another one here. Again, that closes with a magnet. And then these interior portions are all great for 4x6 pictures. They're definitely larger than that, so if you wanted to put a couple smaller pictures on instead of one larger photo, you could definitely do that. But I love the colorway of this paper collection. I think it's really fun. You know, it's kind of like muted, a little distressed looking. I love the purples and the greens. Just how all the colors work together. They're vibrant, but not too bright. And I love these skulls, so I had to put them at the end. So this just goes back like this. Again, very simple to construct. If you've never made one before, this would be a great beginner project. Just magnetizes shut. Goes right back into the box. And then we just slide back in like that. I hope you enjoyed today's project, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!